I'm past President Butch Arroyo from the Rotary Club of South Triangle. We're very, very happy to be here. Invited the classmate Dong for tonight.
And of course, Roby.
Taus-pusong pasasalamat at magandang gabi sa lahat ng ating manonood at sa ating mga kasama dito sa UNTV. At
sino ba? Butch, sino ba yung mga classmates nating talagang ganyang kasikat? Yung mga magagaling?
Dong, alam naman lahat na sa class natin ay sa grupo natin, we had the privilege of having two district governors, no? The first one was classmate Jess Cifra, who unfortunately is out of town now, cannot be with us. Then our governor at PDG Penny Policarpio.
IPDG, no?
Oh, yes, IPDG. Then saka maraming maraming tayong makasama sa natin. And you also have Lyndon nag-aspire. That his time will come. Magiging governor rin yan. District Secretary siya. Saka among the group also, maraming naging assistant governor, naging major district. Nagkaroon ba tayo ng chief of staff? Or meron pa? Wala yata, no? Pero District Secretary, Lyndon. Okay, that's about it. Pero sa Star Presidents Group, maraming talagang, but the rest, we still continue to serve the community as past presidents, helping our club and helping the community.
Okay, meron baka maipopromote kayong projects from your own Rotary clubs?
Sa club namin, we just inducted our new president, si President Ronnie Collado, last Thursday. But Monday before that, 3 days before that, we initiated our BLT launching dito sa Lusog, Talino. Okay. We started our project dito sa MH Del Pilar Elementary School. Then just over the weekend, we had a joint dental project with Rotary Club of Downtown Session sa Baguio. Yung mga tropa makitang Baguio, we just want to greet President Jean from the Rotary Club of Downtown Session. Thank you very much for hosting the project last Sunday.
Okay, past President Steve.
sa ngalan po ng lahat ng Star Presidents at lahat ng mga samahang Rotario sa District 3780 ng Quezon City, kami po ay nagpapahatid ng 1 milyong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat, naming manonood at kapwa Rotario, dahil sa pagkakataong maglingkod para sa bayan sa pamamagitan ng Rotary.